How many compression rollers are installed in the compression machine? This is one of the most important and confusing question, which is when asked from the professionals or students working in pharmaceutical industries, they are not able to give the answer, because in most advanced type of compression machines, basically these compression rollers are not physically visible, so they are not aware that where the compression rollers are installed and how many types of compression rollers are there in a compression machine, and how we can judge that how many compression rollers are installed in a machine by just looking the compression machine. After watching this video, you will be able to learn all about the facts of the compression machine rollers. Basically, compression machine rollers are also known as the pressure rollers. So what are the compression machine rollers? Compression machine rollers are the wheel type structures installed in the compression machine which apply pressure over the punch head, and this pressure is transmitted through the punches to the powder or granules to compress the powders or granules into the tablet. So these compression rollers play an important role in the tablet compression machine because they are the main components for applying the pressure to compress the tablet. So what are the compression rollers? As we discussed, these are the wheel-like structures installed in the compression machine to apply the pressure. What are the types of compression rollers? Basically, this is the main important question. There are two main types of the compression rollers. One is the pre-compression rollers and second one is the main compression rollers. Pre-compression rollers are not installed in all the compression machines, but in the advanced and latest machines you will see the installation of pre-compression rollers as well, but main compression rollers are installed in all the rotary tablet compression machine. So what is the function of these compression rollers? As we discussed previously, to apply the pressure, but what is the function of pre-compression roller? Apart from applying the pressure, the main function of the pre-compression roller is to remove the entrapped air in the powders or granules before applying the main pressure. Mean the pre-compression rollers just slightly press the powder or granules, and the purpose of installation of pre-compression rollers is to remove the trapped air in the powders or granules to prevent the defect of tablet capping or lamination. So what are the types of rollers? We have discussed these one are the pre-compression rollers and main compression rollers, and how you can know that how many rollers are installed in the compression machine. For this you just have to remember single formula, and the formula is that you have to see that the compression machine is single feed or double feed. If you are not familiar what is double feed and single feed, must watch the video on our topic related to the single feed compression machines and double feed compression machines. I will provide the link in the description. For brief overview, single feed compression machine, each punch compress one tablet during one revolution. Mean during 1 rpm one tablet is compressed by each punch, and in single feed two tablets are compressed by each punch during 1 rpm. And to understand the easy sign of single feed and double feed, for single feed we have installed only one hopper on the compression machine, and for the double feed two hoppers are installed on the compression machine. So if our machine is single feed, mean our machine is single feed and it has one hopper, then two main compression rollers will be installed. Mean a set of main compression rollers, one compression roller will be installed on the upper side of the upper punches, and one main roller will be installed on the lower side of the lower punches. So upper punch and lower punch will pass between these compression rollers, and when these pass through the upper and lower compression rollers, the pressure is applied over the punches to compress the powder or granules. So as a summary, our single feed compression machine will contain two main compression rollers, one on the upper side and one on the lower side. And if our compression machine is double feed, then it will have two sets of the main compression rollers, mean 4 compression rollers will be installed in the compression machine. One main compression roller will be for the one feed and it will be installed in the same manner, mean one on the upper side and one on the lower side of the lower punches, and other set of the compression roller will be installed for the second feed of the compression machine. So for a brief summary, we can say that if our compression machine is single feed, it will contain only 2 compression rollers, and if our compression machine is double feed, then it will contain 4 compression rollers. And if pre-compression rollers are also installed and you want to know how many pre-compression rollers are installed, in the same way, if single feed and 2 pre-compression rollers will be installed, and if it is double feed, then 4 pre-compression rollers will be installed to the compression machine. So it was all about the compression rollers or compression pressure wheels. So if you like the video, share it to others, subscribe my channel. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.